Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, in order to have the best education from this channel, you need to watch from the video number 1. Okay, let's come to the point. Today I am going to teach you about word, which is very important in English grammatical items. Dear students, word. Word is a group of letters having a meaning. For example, if I write on the whiteboard, it will be very easy to understand. Okay. W-O-R-D. Word. Word is a group of letters having a meaning. Word is a group of letters having a meaning. For example, T H E Y. I have written some letters. T H E Y. They. I have put some letters together and it is a word because it has a meaning. If I give another example, H E L P, help. I have also put some letters together here and it has also a meaning. Help, it is also a word. In the same way, T-H-E, it is also a word because it has a meaning. P-O-O-R, P-O-O-R, poor, it is also a word because it has a meaning. So we can tell word is a group of letters having a meaning. Dear students, if you put some letters together at random, it cannot be word. For example, if I write this word again at random, E H T Y, E H T Y. I have put some letters together here at random. It is not a word because it has no meaning. In the same way, L H P E. It is not a word at all because it has no meaning. In the same way, if I write E H T O R O P, okay, they are not words at all because they have no meaning. Dear students, exceptionally, there is a letter in English alphabet called A, the first letter of English alphabet. It is also a word because it has a meaning. A. A is the first letter in English alphabet. It is a letter as well as a word because it has a meaning. There is also another word I. This letter exists in English alphabet too, and it has also a meaning. For this reason, these two letters are letters as well as words. A is a letter and a word too. I is a letter and a word too. Dear students, so I have already discussed many things regarding these words in my previous videos. If you would like to have the next ideas, you will have to watch all the videos one by one. Otherwise, it is not possible to understand better from any video. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.